Okay, makwao. So one lending are busy no abuse the pineapple, the cranberry, the magnum. So look chuluke. So right now I'm not focusing on the cost. So I'm going to buy a cold drink. Colorblind. Let me. Okay. So as I was saying, I remember like almost 7 to 10 years ago, and can't you look and then finally I stood to the share this other brother of mine about MC style. So I think we really needed to do a session. Every dinner joke is look chuluken go to fake. Every rook no okuma cold drink ya coke na shingu. Ndo dale so finya ngende leswo so o teka xilayi o relerisa no u finya kunene swi ta stop actually antanga ku ro chance I did that and I was okay. So right now that's what I'm going to try on the madam, you know, nyasha cook go madam ava disule makuleni, you know. So I really have to go to the complex and fika sha cook because shingo I think already rashona. So I'm just going to go to the complex, fika kuma cook. And then, yeah, that's it. So I won't even try to vlog that much because I'm trying to be as fast as possible. So yeah. Okay, makwavo. So as I said, Gorlan get freaking vlog ngopfu. So loko ni fika leni, loko na xava xinkwa na cold drink, I got a call from madam. Hey, she's in pain, so I had to rush back to the room and the masipona ku se ku va nga ri ku vlog again straight. Mabona, so when I came back to the room, bolo atla va danyana, then loko va heta ku danyana, then we rushed to the clinic. Loko hi fika clinic kona va nga fika va ku, hey, if you feel like the pain is unbearable, you can just stay here. Mabona, so no kuma ku ri swi nga fika swi dya nkarhi leni. That's why mi kuma ku ri se ni hetelela ni vloga ku ri late so. Hey, amone seni te vana ti passage hinkwato seni ta le bawad. Nga ti nghena huma. And we are still on the first stage though. First stage. So right now I'm going to take toilet paper, man, a new one. Bathroom yalani toilet paper. But I guess it's typical of a public clinic, so yeah. Let's go to the room, man. Let's go. Yeah, I'm fine. I can't appreciate enough because location like so clinic. Imagine there's ups and downs. You can't find from 20 to 30 minutes, dog. Tissue like now. Then I have to do another 20 to 30 minutes to go back. You know, that's really crazy, man. That's really crazy. It will be crazy, dog. And the plus fella kwa hava la kuma ku ri maybe ni nga ku ya kana xava kona once ku hava just have to go, you know, just have to go to the room, get a tissue and go back. And these vlogs, man, they are also out here to help you, you know. Like ambopaka kanjani swo fana ti tissues leswi nga ta tshama kha swi rivala ta hleketa ti essential, you know, like mkumba, pampers, you know, everything leswi lavekaka swa essential. But swo fana ti tissue, man, i swilo swo hlangana na swo kwele kuma ku ri swi herile. So yeah, let's just do what we gotta do. then I took a picture, man. I took a picture. Yeah. Here it is. And I guess I mean, so 6'4". Yeah. Rusty, I guess. Fana over 6'4". Looking at 6'4", so look again. So fana come la phone, I let back and balai. Let me see if I can do it like this. 64147378 417484464259. You see.
Line
Yeah, I
in.
wanna circle like the land. Impela I'm looking like this. I'm also turn off the speaker, man. Yes, I'm not there to waste or to take any time, so let me just grab the tissue and the bounce. So we got the tissue. I'm looking for any chum with the camera, but it's okay. I look come over in chum. It's okay. The one I look at home. Okay, so right now we live. Right now we are living. Kuna chum ni shiribala kola. Nah, kuna chum ni shiribala. So let's just go. Nah, chocolate. Hey, for the madam, just to congratulate the person right there. The Ferreros. It gotta be Ferrero shit, man. It gotta be, dog. Sheesh. That was she in this one, so to pick and go. So yeah, we gotta appreciate that. Gotta appreciate. I will at least care. Look at such and cash go me. Searching the key, I can't find the key. Oh, yeah, I found it. Let's go. Don't wanna waste no time. I ain't trying to waste no time. Hey, I'm coming. I thought to beat it in and out. And to think of kaka intro ntere namuntlha hayi ti ta va ti ri indoors ti-vlog ta namuntlha because yini but look at me now outside like a security guard but yeah, as you know, the clinic is just out here, man. The clinic is just out here. Long on a delay, yeah. You're going to clinic, so I'm not tripping over no distance. I am tripping over no distance, my boy. So, yeah. Let's just do what we gotta do. Sena xitwanyana na ximoyani xa junior. Karanga ko se xilatanrelelela. It's trying to creep on me, dog. It's trying to creep on me. But it's nothing to bitch about. So yeah. Let's go. go, let's go, let's go. Kahle iklinik ya yini straight vanongena khanga xivata munhu se okay. Well, I guess it's good morning. Because right now, let me check the time. Last time in Kumpingari, Kumakura, 1 yeah, 646 0646. So it's 14 minutes to 7. So yeah, good morning, man. Good morning. I'm lying not feel 8 dog. We not slept yet. As I'm not necessarily going to sleep. Just going to get like on my breakfast for the madam, you know. And I'm also myself for later, dog. Right now it's the madam first, you know. Yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so right now car is 7. So I just need to take like a toilet paper, because I think yesterday we came back for a toilet paper. It's done, bro. Like that toilet paper is done. Not really done, but almost done. So I don't wanna come back just because of a toilet paper. But then yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna said if it at need. I just don't wanna come back for stupid things. So plus seriously, man, people are up and down, it's hectic. Because still go got the clinic, especially the public. One get very ill. So it is still to 7 and people are already packed outside. So yeah. And I'm just getting this breakfast to make them real quick. And as far as me, dog, yeah, I will eat when I can. Right now, I'm not a VIP. So yeah, let's go, man, let's go. Hey, Exema, we're back in the room again. So at the clinic, Gonyalia Sbar, that guy Alirai, Melirono Grafika, that white clear tall. It just came in, and it came in with Madam's mother. So right now, since they are there, I took the opportunity to come and refill the water. To refill the water. It's always Coca-Cola fridge in 5 liters. So I did like my so I had to refill. I also came here to make some scarfing in a way. So it's nothing much really. It's just the back camera. I'll show you the back camera right now, but it's nothing much. I just feel like it's something she can consume without any problems. Let me show you. Yeah, so as I said, it's nothing much. It's just the driver, an apple, and pineapple. So it's water, and it's warm water, not just any water. It's warm water. I don't know if always is stress but yeah, this is it here. When I'm just going to file. So yeah, this is what I'm delivering. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, Makwabu. So Netelelen Kuma call. Kololia Yona Ingan Baizis are on my way back to the clinic, so that's why Kumakura current vlog because phone on this very simple. So we did get there. Look on figure that I told you this madam and Svara there, so they also relieved me. So this is why I'm Kumakosini. It's another vlog Oseka Telela Romin. It's because they relieved me. Now I can go bath and shit. So like yeah, thank you, Ra. Since I've been lost count, man, correct. No, me kangani ni room in a clinic. So not wrong. Ne taxi la you rank a local. Suka room in a clinic. Suka clinic in a room. Dog. I don't even wanna comment on it. Sometimes ninga vlog na lokano mo hlamala sene room. Because yeah, it's too much. It's too much, dog. It's too much. And to think or mono kosuka tolweni basically. Angasetlel. And the pay now and I'm a rock on that little pen and a jale. I grew vesting carotel at there. I will go on a gangalush and some really.